Okay, so hello. So now this is the video. It is a demo video. I'm going to teach you on how to conduct a demo class. So here, so mo ni siya ang plus star ining magklase na ka. So mo ni siya ang plus star. This is your camera here and your student's camera. Okay, let's just pretend gana si student then ha. Okay. So, okay. So, atuang i-paste ang book dinhi sa classroom. So, for example, earlier is si Mia, nga book ni Mia ko ang example. So, all you have to do is to go to Drive, okay? And then, wait a minute. So, you need to go to Drive, go to Documents, and then, katong file nga imuhang gihimo, May 25, sa mo na din ang book. So, click na din ang book dan ha. Mo-plaster na din siya automatically diyan sa classroom. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so na mga icons diyan he. So this is the topic that you're going to teach to your student. Okay, so for example, okay, so nag-start ang classes. So of course, don't forget the greetings. Okay, so I'm going to write para na amoy guide. So of course, greetings. Kailangan nimo greet ang imong students. Say, hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to my class. For example, if it is a new student, welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Lisa. What's your name? Okay, so don't forget to use TPR, okay? What's your name? So don't forget to use TPR para masabtan ni student. Even though siya kasabot sa istorya nimo, but using TPR, your student can understand. So your student will say, let's just say Sheila. I'm Sheila. Okay, let's just say that this student name is Sheila. Okay, so Sheila siya. So, for example, moingon lang si student og Sheila. So you should make the sentence complete. For example, you're asking the student, "Oh, what's your name?" And your student will only say Sheila. So you should guide your student on how to say the complete sentence. Okay, can you please say my name? Okay, you can also write it. You can also write it on the screen for them to be guided or for the student to be guided. My name is Sheila. Okay, can you say it again? Say my name is Sheila. Okay, and the student will follow you. My name is Sheila. Okay. That's right. So here's a student, okay, before I forgot. So there is a student na siya ka ng murag icon diyan ni. Na yung murag icon si student diyan ni ubos sa iya. Makita nimo ng icon kung kani siya nga mouse is itungod nimo sa like, as you can see itungod na ko ning mouse sa ako ang student's camera. So ni siya yung mga icon na kabutan dani so naa ni siya crown diyan hi. So the crown means you let your student write something on the board. So imo nang i-click ng crown, use the first icon, click nimo na siya danha, ini-click ana, makita din na nimo danhi nga si student is na crown. So it means kung na crown na it means you let your student write something. So kung imo na siyang i-click permanently, imo na siyang dili na nimo siya i-off. Pwede mo na siya inimo i-click ug balik. Kung i-click nimo balik, mawala ni siyang crown sa babaw sa student, mawala ni siya like this. Mawala na siya kung imo na siya i-click ug balik. Kung imo na siya i-click ug balik, it means kung nanay crown na, it means you let your student nga magsulat-sulat sa imuha. So kung i-let nimo na siya always nga naka-open, so magkuris-kuris na estudyante nimo, which is we need to avoid. Okay, so all you have to do is to click that one, click that crown, so meaning you won't let your student write something on the board. So kung iris man magkuris na kung nakuris-kurisan na mga niya ang board, so click the second icon, press your mouse and then highlight everything and then delete. Okay? And then balik ka sa pen. Click the pen. Kaya mo man imong perminti gamiton. Okay, so let's continue. So, okay, today, Sheila, our lesson is about the lesson 38. Let's read the title of our lesson. Number plates. You need to guide your student. Number plates. Okay, one more time. Number plates. Okay, very good. And of course, to expand more your lesson, you need to tell, okay, so who do you think are they? Who are they, Sheila? Okay, Sheila will say, oh, dad, mom, brother, sister. Okay, so as you can see, Dali sa icon, inig, itungod na pud nimo ang mouse sa icon sa camera student, na siya magawas, which is the crown, which is you let your student write something on the board, and then napo na siya trophy. So kani siyang trophy danhi, dani na siya murag sa second to the last. Kanang trophy na is, pwede naman na siya i-click. It means you are giving reward to your students. So, kung maka-check siya og istorya, like for example, na-complete niya pag istorya tong iyahang name, ganiha, my name is Sheila. So, click the trophy. It means you're giving her a reward. Like, very good! Okay. Na siya reward. Tapos, kanang reward is mag-countdown na dani. Kung pala na ka-rewards, ang naan niya dani, mag-countdown na dana. And then, for example, if she also guess who are this, so, for example, you can check, he is dad, she is mom, he is brother, she is sister. So another word na po, tagaan siya reward. Or you can also give a reward, for example, na akay mga reward just like hamburgers, kana mga toy nga hamburgers, or maybe you have stars there. Pwede mo siya hatag, okay, this is for you. Okay. Aside ani, pwede ka makahatag og other reward kung naa kay mga rewards then ha sa imuha. Okay, so that's next. Okay, so just click the right or the right arrow to proceed to the next slide. Now here, na siya mga guide. Can you circle all the number plates? Okay, here. Kung dako na bitaw ka ay siya, pwede mo siya pagamyon. For example, pwede mo siya pagamyon. Oh, wait a minute. Pwede siya pagamyon na naon mo. Pagamyon ni mo. Ano si Igo ni mo, ana. Ana. Okay, can you circle all the number plates? Okay, so of course, you want your student to circle the number plates. All you have to do is to click the crown. Let your student circle. So click the crown. Nanay crown na nigi. Click mo na siya. So mo appear din ang crown din above. So it means na siya pen. So circle din na siya. After na circle, okay, off na po di iyang pen. Click na po di mo iyang pen. I-off na po. Para dili siya magkuris-kuris. Kaya kadalasan sa mga bata magkuris-kuris na sila. So off na po ni mo. You need to be what do you call this one? Kanang magbantay jud ka sa pen kay magkuris-kuris na sila. So, sir, off na po nimo ang pen. Okay, very good. Put a check. Tapos lagayan na po siya og reward. Okay. Another. Oh, oops. Okay, padag-ana to ana. Another na po. Proceed na po. Okay, the answer key. Okay, very good. So these are the number plates. Okay, if you're going to make further, okay, can you know the lesson? It has no script. It is depend on you and how you teach this lesson to your student. So you can expand by giving more questions. For example, okay, so are you familiar with these number plates? Where do we usually see these number plates? Okay, when you study cars. Okay, when you say okay, you can say I see. You can say I see number plates on cars. Ana, sa imong gisulat, it means gigayra nimo siya pagbasa na siya nga sentence. So imo pa na siya pwede na siya padako nimo kung gusto kag dako-dako o ana. O change pa nimo ang color to black para mabasa gid. Okay. I see number plates. Oh, I see number plates on cars. Okay, so gaya na naman siya pagbasa. So, ana lang, so on and so forth. Okay? So, dani sa klase is, don't mind with the time. Okay, need you 25 minutes ni mahutod ko ang klase, no? Look at here, it has 48 slides. The parents here, dili sila mag-matter kung mahuman or dili as long as ilang anak is nakasabot and napasabot nimo sila unsa tong mga words and sa nakasabot ba sila sa imuhang lesson. Okay, here are some questions here. Sana lang. So, ikaw magbuot kung saan mo pagtudlong imuhang estudyante and it is very important to give further questions or further explanations about your lesson para mas masabtan sa imong estudyante. It's better to give some examples. For example, since the lesson is about number plates, so mag-search ka sa Google og kanang kuan. Mag-search ka sa Google og car. Car with number plate. Okay? So, image. Okay, here. So, nakita ko car. So, i-save na ko na. Back ko sa class in. Then, put na ko sa chat box. And then, click na ko ng plus. Then, na-paste din he. struggling mo. Okay, look here. So look at this car. Does this car has a number plate? Ana, so further na siya, further discussion na siya. Then you're asking question kung maka-answer ang student. Is the car has a number plate? Okay. You answer yes. I guess you can guide it. Yes, it is. Or yes, it has. Okay?